Companion diagnostics, or CDX, is an assay that's utilized to determine if a drug is going to be safe and effective for any given patient. This is particularly important when we think about the world of precision medicine that we live in right now. We want to make sure that we get the right drug to the right patient at the right time. If you're able to identify a genomic biomarker that indicates whether or not the therapeutic is going to be safe for the patient and effective for the patient, we can use that to make sure that we are giving them and prescribing to them the most effective therapy. So the Q-squared Illumina agreement was actually put in place to enable the development of next-generation sequencing-based companion diagnostics. And as part of this agreement, we'll have the ability to collaborate with our pharma sponsors to help them bring companion diagnostics to market using NGS technology. Q-squared Solutions is an industry leader in the global clinical trial testing space, and as part of Q-squared Solutions, EA Genomics has greater than 15 years of experience in deploying complex genomic tests for our sponsors. When I look at Illumina, on the other side, Illumina is a global industry leader as well in the development and deployment of next-generation sequencing-based technologies. If we can leverage the expertise of both of these entities combined, it's going to allow us to really support our sponsors in development and deployment of companion diagnostics using next-gen sequencing technology. This agreement is important to our customers because it really does enable Q-squared Solutions to support their companion diagnostic drug development needs. If you think about the way that a trial is executed and the way that patients respond to therapies, not every patient is going to respond to every therapy. Take a situation where you have a therapy where perhaps only 10% of the population is likely to respond, and we can identify a genomic biomarker to help indicate response versus non-response, or whether or not the patient is going to have an adverse event. When we do trial enrollment, we can utilize that biomarker to help enroll the right patients into the trial at the right time, and we can eliminate the 90% of the population that's unlikely to respond to the therapy. This really helps us deliver trials that are more streamlined to our sponsors, and ultimately, when the submission packet is ready for regulatory approval, the sponsor will have a much stronger submission packet. The FDA actually released a draft guidance in July of this year that indicated a strong preference to have our sponsors co-develop IVD companion diagnostics along with the therapeutic. By doing this co-development process, it ensures that the sponsor will have a biomarker signature associated with the safety and efficacy of the drug at the time that it's submitted.